Hello everyone! So, the Simon Says stamp October 2019 card kit has arrived. I had to wait for some construction to end before I could actually start filming because noise. Anyway, I've been very excited waiting for this to get here. Let's just dive right into it. This is the Thankful Flowers card kit. The colors are just, love. Candy, always exciting. Always makes me happy. You do get a pair of Tim Holtz mini snips. Kind of excited about this. If you have not used or purchased any of the Tim Holtz scissors, highly, I can't recommend them enough. Literally. I actually already have two. I'm not even kidding. I have two pairs of these already. This pair is actually going to go in my kitchen. I've been slowly getting more and more pairs for everyone else to use in the house. I keep a large pair I have with my gardening stuff in the garage, etc. Like the regular pair. One thing I really love about these scissors is things like zip ties. That's why I keep a pair in my kitchen. Like kids' toys, you know, at Christmas, etc. They're all attached with, 5 million zip ties, and it takes, 3 hours to open them. Pet peeve. Anyway, these, awesome. Like so many other scissors, they start to separate, when you're trying to cut anything difficult. These cut like butter. Seriously, I have been using them for years, and I was really excited when they came out with the mini ones, and I use them all the time to snip like my Big Mama foam tape. I show them in tons of videos. So yeah, you get the a whole little pair of these, whole little pairs if you'd only get half a pair. And yeah, they're amazing. So kind of excited that hopefully a whole lot of new people get converted to these amazing scissors. And yeah, they all come with their own little cover too, which I really like, especially for the ones I keep in my kitchen, etc. Or, well, these will be kept in my kitchen. So you get that. There is this beautiful stamp set. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Thankful Flowers stamp set. Great big 6x8 stamp set. There is a coordinating wafer die set. So many requests for that from people, so I will link to it. It's not part of the kit because some people like the coordinating dies, some don't. So you get the large flowers and then these big, beefy sentiments, which I love. You couldn't be more awesome. You're amazing. I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I always need to make thank you cards. Can never have enough thank you cards. I love that. So there's that. There's also a thanks wafer die in the same sort of font. So I really like that too. I just like how it's on such a straight line and it's all connected. I really like that. So you get the wafer die. There are envelopes. There's a little mini envelope. Love that. So a little tag included with a little gift, a little thank you. There is a wood grain. I think you can see the wood grain in the video. Dark walnut wood grain envelope. A beautiful gold envelope. All of Simon's envelopes. All these ones anyway are the self-sealing style, which I love. So you get that. There's pattern paper. This is My Mind's Eye Heritage 6x6 paper. Definitely heritage, very classy. Houndstooth and wood grain, some floral, really nice paper. I really like these color combos. And then a sheet of, these are Pebbles, Jen Hadfield, and foil foam letter thickers. And you just, yeah, really like these. Really like these. Because yeah, they're foams, they've got the dimension, and they're foiled. So you can just pop them on, spell out a phrase. Love that. So you get a pack of those. There are some gorgeous, this is the copper and rose gold Tim Holtz Idea-ology foiled paper that has the KRAFT backing. This stuff is able to be used in embossing folders and whatnot, and it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. get that, and then some Simon cardstock in dark chocolate, cream, black, and Desert Storm, the Nina Desert Storm. Such a gorgeous kit. I love it. Love the colors. Love the just like elegant yet like fall feel to it all. It's love. So that is the October 2019 Simon Says Stamp card kit. You can get the kit, like just order just the kit. You can do the subscription. The subscription, you save a bit of money every month. A lot of this is available individually, you know, the stamp set, the die, etc., etc. I always link to all of that in the description box below the video. I link to the kit, the subscription, the frequently asked questions, everything individually, hopefully to make it as easy as possible to find what it is you're looking for. So just check that out below as well as on my blog. And then I will be back very soon with cards using this fabulousness. So thank you all so much for watching, for subscribing, for thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate it. I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!